Namaskar. So today we'll see next oral dosage form, liquid dosage form, mixtures. Hmm. So mixtures or oral solutions or oral liquids. Many times we will see instead of syrup, it is a term mixture is used, like here ferrous sulfate mixture BPC, hmm, milk of magnesia, which is a mixture, or magnesium hydroxide mixture. If we see different tonics, it is called as the oral liquids, correct? So from that class, now we'll see some examples. Therefore, the first is always what is a mixture? Hmm? I given the example. So here it is a ferrous sulfate mixture with the monophasic. Milk of magnesia, it is available in the market, which is a suspension. Means this is a solution, another is suspension. Then what is the mixture? Correct. Whether oral liquids are only solutions or suspensions. This is oral liquid. Definitely, it is for oral use. So it may be solution or suspension or what emulsion. So check that. If you see the levels of various liquid orals, then you will get idea. If it is the oral solution, definitely it is a solution. Hmm? But mixtures or oral liquid, you just check it required the field work, and it is expected that students should do some field work. It is intensive. Hmm? So you should know the profession. You should visit our medical store. In house also, you can see different medicines which are used by your family members. See the composition, see the label, what is the use of it, how it is to be taken. Likewise, so it is the training only. Only the college theory practicals will not sufficient to build your concepts. Hmm. So after a diploma pharmacy, when I did from Karad College, so I had a very good training in the Sangli Civil Hospital, and really I compounded many formulas, including this ferrous sulfate formula, diaphoretic formula with fill ointment. So it was my duty in the afternoon, after one, to make a compounding of different such formulations in a bulk for the next day dispensing. And I got this knack of understanding the formulation, mixing the formulation, how to proceed, how to compound, how to dispense, likewise. And fortunately, I became a teacher then after I M.Pharm, and I also got a chance to teach this dispensing pharmacy. Therefore, my thinking is slightly differ from the others. Always I go to the root cause of that the formulation to know why this particular method is used, why this particular ingredient is used, likewise. So today in the mixtures, we will see the first ferrous sulfate mixture. And the first question is the mixture only. What is the mixture? The ferrous sulfate mixture contains ferrous sulfate, ascorbic acid, orange syrup, chloroform water DS. So chloroform water is the aromatic water. See, the Anish water was used. Now the chloroform water is used in a double strength, and the purified water to make a 100 ml. If we see the previous formulas, syrup was there, and now it is the purified water. So it gives the clue regarding the oral liquids and mixtures, how they may be different from the syrups. And there is a question also I made. Correct. What are the oral liquids, oral solutions? We discussed. What is the difference between syrup and mixture? Just now I given the clue. You find that hmm, which are made for adults, which are made for pediatrics. What may be the main difference in the flavoring property, acceptance, organoleptic properties, likewise, color, acceptance. What is the indication of ferrous sulfate? Ferrous, it is the iron, and you know the why iron is required. There are many salts of iron used, and these salts, some salts have very good effect. They have the less side effects. So, what are the side effects? That also we have to see. But it is okay. So, what is the indication of ferrous sulfate? And what strength it is required? How long it should be used? Likewise, you should find the indication of ferrous sulfate. What is the major stability problem of ferrous sulfate? The ferrous sulfate ferrous products have one stability problem, and to minimize that stability problem, ascorbic acid is used. Means if you find the answer for 5, it is the answer of 6. Hmm? And in the third year, you have to study in depth. In the fourth year also, how ascorbic acid potential used to minimize degradation of other drugs. Hmm? So likewise, there are some principles also. But in the first year, you should know at least what is the ascorbic acid role and how it fulfill that role. Hmm? What is the palatably enhancing approach in the formula? Correct. So here, whether it is the chloroform spirit or orange syrup or ascorbic acid, which are the ingredients used? Because syrup is not there here. Syrup. So orange syrup is just 5 ml. In the previous cases, we are using syrup to make 100 ml. Correct. So what are that palatability enhancing approach in this? So you can now distinguish between the previous formulas and this formula by understanding this. Correct. What are the possible side effects of ferrous salt? Just now I told the ferrous salts have problems. So in house also, if somebody is taking such a tablet, you ask what problem they have. They have the problem in the GI tract, 2 3 problems in the GI tract. Just I given the clue. You find then whether it should be taken after food or before food. This is another important. If we take on the empty stomach, what happens? Correct. Means how to minimize it. I given the answer how to minimize it and give the direction to use. So all these answers will give you that side effects of ferrous sulfate and how to minimize the side effects. Is the same mixture is useful for pediatrics? Definitely, pediatric dose is different, but same can be used with some dilution. So what is that dilution? How to do dilution? Correct. Likewise. So this is the very old formula, BPC formula. It is mentioned dilution for this also. And in my books, in one of the book, I given this formula. In other books, I given the pediatric formula also. Otherwise, you can have a dilution of this mixture, and it can be used for the pediatric. Actually, if we use the ferrous formulas orally, there is chance of some coloration or staining of the teeth also. And therefore, they give direction to use, I mentioned. Hmm? So name various marketed hematinic products. As a ferrous formula is hematinic for increasing your hemoglobin. So there are many formulas. We can call as the vitamins or the iron preparation, hematinic preparation. You have 3 4 formulas of hematinic from market. Take a photograph and you can paste in your journal also. Hmm? In your syllabus for a B farm, this compound syrup of ferrous phosphate IP is given. Actually, that ferrous sulfate mixture formula is not given, but I included that ferrous sulfate formula because there are marketed products available for that. But for a ferrous phosphate, it is a very old preparation. 1955 IP it have, and this preparation is prepared by chemical reactions, iron wire, phosphoric acid, calcium carbonate. These multiple reactions are there, chemical reactions, and due to which it have a problem of large scale manufacturing also and regular compounding. Therefore, it is outdated. But unfortunately, it is there in the syllabus. But it is not the case that we should go for this. At least have a theory of this to know that okay, how any preparation is prepared by chemical reaction. But alternatively, you can have a better study on the ferrous sulfate mixture, which is a recently used also. What are the different sorts of ferrous? Just now I told. So you find which are the different sorts of ferrous, which are the marketed products of the different sorts, and ask or find the information which is the best, which minimize the constipation. Likewise, so which have the better hematinic activity, it will give the answer. For this, what is the principle of compounding? As I told, it is by chemical reaction. हम्म, आपको पढ़ना है तो 4 5 केमिकल रिएक्शन रट्टा मारनी पड़ेगी और आज भी जरूरत भी नहीं है क्योंकि ये प्रिपरेशन मार्केट में नहीं है बट यू फॉर अंडरस्टैंडिंग ओके एंड इट्स करंटली स्टेटस क्या है अभी मैंने बता दिया बट इज सिनोनिम ऑफ दैट फॉर्मुलेशन जिसने बनाया उन्होंने उनका नाम दिया है यूजुअली फॉर एग्जामिनेशन इन द एग्जामिनेशन many synonyms are asked. I am against of that. Usually I never ask the things which require the recitation. रट्टा मारना मुझे पसंद नहीं है, मगर एक मालूम होना चाहिए for the respect of that scientist. Therefore आप देख सकते हैं कि इसका synonym क्या है. So we covered the first type of oral mixture, which is a solution type, and I given the clue how the mixtures or the oral liquids are different from syrups. And I hope that these preparations will give you guideline regarding the syrup and mixture. Again, if you have any difficulty, if you're not getting, in my books I written it, but again if you're not getting the answers, I'm here. You write in the comment box. I will be happy to answer. But I never directly give the answer for mugging purpose. If I give the ready-made things, there are many books in the market, small books, books, mini books. But I am always happy for interactive teaching, learning, and to promote your thinking ability. Instead of marks, I am interested to give you knowledge. Thank you once again. See you.